Hi guys! We are here at the airport and we're just waiting for our flight. Waiting lang kami mag-boarding. We have 2 flights today. One going to Bangkok and then from Bangkok, pupunta kami ng Krabi dahil doon kami mag-spend ng time. So we're staying there 5 days in a beautiful resort. Mag-vlog kami. Promise. Mag-vlog kami. Wait! Tut-tut! Tut-tut! Tweety! Wala pa, hindi pa kami boarding. Are you sure? Babe, are you sure we're not boarding yet? No, I trust you. We're so antok na and we're bored. Ako kumain ako ng bulalo. Lucky me. Siya, ayaw niya.
Lucky you.
Huh?
Lucky you.
Yeah, lucky me. He didn't want cup noodles, so ako lang. No, I will go later. Let's go to 14 first. Andito na kami sa Bangkok Airport. And nagmamadali kami kasi since na-delay yung flight namin kanina is naubusan kami ng oras. Till our next flight. Sawadika! Wow, pad thai. Kain lang kami ng saglit. And mine is next. Yan yung una naming food. And then ako nag-order ako ng Thai milk tea and crispy pork noodles. We are going to the plane, going to Krabi! Woohoo! We made it!
Dear Gary, international flight ST4402 to Krabi International Airport. Please be seated with seatbelt fastened or mobile phone and electronic devices are to be switched over to the flight safe mode. Check our personal kindly back up and we are ready for departure.
The airport is nice. Huh?
It's new.
Is it new? We're here at Krabi.
What is the next thing?
We'll ask him on the way. What is that? Guys, nandito na kami. Finally, we arrived! And this is where we are.
And for checking in for may I borrow both of your passport?
Passport,
And
yes.
one credit card for security
Okay.
guarantee, please.
Your passport too.
Cheers.
Cheers. Koi fish! Where's our room? This? Or this one, I think.
This one, yeah. Second from the left. Oh, Starbucks.
Oh, Starbucks. Nice.
Let's try the water.
Wait.
Don't wet them. Leave them here. All in mind.
Magtutour na ako habang maayos pa yung room. So, ito yung room namin dito sa Amari Vogue. Dito kami nag-check-in. Grabe, sobrang layo na trinavel namin para dito, guys. Pero sobrang worth it. Ang ganda dito, my God. So, ito yung room na kinuha namin. Tamang deluxe king lang. And then, ito yung bathroom. Wait, I'll show you. Ayan. Malaki yung bathroom. Tapos meron siyang bathtub. Oh, meron siyang bathtub. And yan yung, tapos ako yun. Hi! And here. Ayan, nag-open na ako ng luggage kasi gusto ko nang mag-settle in. And then, ayan, ito yung view. Pero, ito yung mga ibang mga rooms. Ayan, oh, ang ganda, guys. Siguro mas maganda pa to later. Tonight. Ayan. Restaurant siguro yan. Tapos ito yung garden. Tapos doon, papunta doon, yung beach. Which is mga 5-minute walk lang. Hindi natin makita dito. Pero nandun din yung pool, tsaka yung mga restaurants. And yung mga kung saan ka mag-chill, sunbathe, ganon. Okay. So yan. Oh, ito naman yung view from here. Ganda. Sobrang relaxing. And gustong-gusto ko yung interior kasi it's really Thai. Ganda. Okay, so mag-chill lang ako, guys, and then update ko kayo later. So we're about to have dinner. Nandito kami sa restaurant ng hotel. And we didn't go far for our first dinner here kasi we're tired from today. Pero may time ako nag-ayos, di ba? May time pa din ako nag-makeup. So we're just waiting for our order, and I'm gonna show you guys later what we ordered. But we got Thai food for our first dinner. We are out. What time is it, babe?
I believe 9 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock a.m. And we are ready to have our breakfast, coffee, tapos mag-chill sa beach, have a little bit of sun kasi obviously we have the sun. Wow! It's a sunny day. So they have Starbucks here, but it's still closed. Ayan o, may Starbucks dito sa loob ng hotel. Ayan. I'll show you. Oh, ayan. Starbucks yan, guys. I'll show you inside. But it's still closed. Ay. Wala, hindi nyo makita. This one is a Starbucks coffee. Oh, there pala. It's a Starbucks coffee inside this resort. So, finally, now you can see the view of where we are. We are here at Amari Vogue, Krabi. Ganda. Tapos, may view doon. Ang ganda, my God! Thank you, Lord, for a beautiful weather. Finally, we see the sun. Ang ganda! Baby, it's so beautiful! Ganda, oh. Tapos, meron silang spa. That's the spa. Which, probably tonight, I will go. So, punta kami dito sa beachfront nila. The umbrellas are out. Yesterday, they were closed. Ganda, my God. It's so beautiful today! Dumating kasi kami umuulan. And what I'm so happy about here in this place is wala masyadong tao. Kasi it's off-season. Off-season ngayon pala dito sa Thailand. So, wala masyadong tao. Kami-kami lang. Good morning! Babe, why don't we get coffee there at the Marcos Cafe? Yeah, probably. Let's ask. There's our boy, Amin. So, pag i-avail pala namin yung boat na yan, the boat there, they will pick us up here and that's the boat we are riding to explore those islands over there. Oh, pak, ganda. Woohoo! And then now, I hope this is open. I think it's not open, babe. I think everyone's in the breakfast cafe. Okay, you get it. I'll wait for your... I'll take pictures.
We'll get it after.
Huh?
We'll get it after.
Oh, after? Okay.
Like the one I had in Lithuania
Can I taste,
had
babe?
no flavor at all.
This one's sweet.
Not as good as this.
Which one? Melon.
No.
Eto na, mag-boat ride na kami. So, this is the long boat.
Yeah.
This is called the long boat.
For this.
How many minutes?
Huh?
How many minutes to Hong Island?
30 minutes.
30 minutes to
Yeah.
Hong Island?
Yeah.
Okay. So, is that our first stop? Or...
1 hour. 1 island.
Hmm?
3 hours. Allah.
Yeah, we can do this.
Late.
Okay.
Hong Island 2 hours.
Huh? Hong
Yeah.
Island, 2 hours?
No, and Jogging 2 hours.
Okay. So we chill there for 2 hours. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. 30-minute boat ride to Hong Island.
Yeah.
Okay.
No way around.
Look! Island! Woo!
It's pretty empty.
But
We made it.
We made it.
Excuse me, miss. Where are you?
No English.
Ilocano?
When?
When?
We are now at the Krabi Night Market. No, it's Aonang. Aonang
Aonang.
Night Market. Aonang Beach Night Market. And dito lang kami. And then later we're gonna do the massage. and then we're gonna do a little bit of shopping, and I might get my nails done. We're gonna eat. That's it. That's what we're gonna do. Go away. It's raining! Raining and thunderstorm. So, hihintayin lang namin na tumila yung ulan. Dito muna kami mag-chill. And mamaya mag-explore ulit kami. So, wait lang. It's so heavy. Pero, yun naman din yung sabi nila sa amin sa hotel. In the morning, it's nice and sunny. But in the afternoon, it rains really heavy. And then it stops. Should we ask for chopsticks? So good.
Outfit of the day?
Thank you for putting it on me.